welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Sophie Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngekwababa. Yo, siyastressa le story leshem, siyastressa. Wonke umuntu manje uyayibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. Ubani baZwelakhe guys? Ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe? Yabona nje le drama le abayikhoza manje ukuthi there's this rival between uZwelakhe noMusa, and uMusa keeps on mentioning into yokuthi yena umkhize and lamafa lawa kababa wakhe. So I just see nje guys ukuthi once the story ivela noma leli thumba libhobo ukuthi uZwelakhe akazala umkhize, this boy will make impilo kaZwelakhe a living hell. The way they are just introducing him to the storyline of ukulwela ifa. Mind you guys, uMusa ingane nje reckless, ingane engafuni ukusebenza, ingane nje ehlupha ihamba izalisa amantombazane, ingane engafuni ukuthatha responsibility. So yo, and what I saw yesterday ukuthi uMusa uhambile waya kababa omkhulu wakhe, and bomkhulu wakhe is against uZwelakhe. So I just see nje guys ukuthi it's gonna be difficult for uZwelakhe. Well guys, izolo ke ama result ke DNA abuyile, and surely ayaveza ukuthi uZwelakhe akazalwa ubaba wakhe noma ke umkhize. So the big question ukuthi ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe? I was just watching this other lady from TikTok, abantu be comment but omunye, my take is uMambokazi got pregnant by those men she was being sold to by her aunt esasemncane. Now uMambokazi is wrong for keeping this from him sekamdala, and I think ukhetho kwakhe rescued her when she was already pregnant. He claimed him as his own, even to the ancestors, hence he was allowed to lead the family and the business. Watige omunye, mina I think is uncle, cause they hate each other ever since. Utomunye uQwabe is his father, nizobona nina the way his mom and Qwabe lodge each other ngathi ngama ex. His wife's jealousy also is weird. Mambokazi is confused herself. Maybe she met him Kize when she was already pregnant. I'm sure Uzwe's dad is one of the men that she was sold to by her aunt, and I think the late Mkhize knew and accepted him as his son. I also believe that guys ukuthi Mkhize knew all along ukuthi ke uZwelakhe akusiyona indodana yakhe, kodwa wam-accepta, wamthanda. Abanye bathi mhlambe uZwelakhe uzalwa uRadebe, umkhwena kamamncane umamkhulu yini, bahlamba uzalo uRadebe. The way uMambokazi ayikwade ngakhona ngesikhathi ke uZwelakhe eqasha uRadebe ukuthi ayosenza ematragini. Abanye bathi mhlawumbe uZwelakhe uzalo baba kaBahumi ngoba uMambokazi akaze zahlangane nobaba Mahumi ever since the story started and the lobola negotiation story started. Maybe uZwelakhe ke uzalwa uyena kubaba kaBahumi uSamson. Abanye bahlamba uzalo bawomdala, that's why bawomdala. Yo guys, it's just a lot. We are trying to think, sibuka lamadoda esifahlanganisa noMambokazi, we are just thinking ukuthi kahle kahle uzalo ubani ke uZwelakhe. But one like scenario that makes sense iyona lokuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kulamadoda elaliswa nawo ke edayiso antu wakhe, maybe wakhulelwa wayeseke ethola ingane and umkhize wamthatha ke naleyo ngane. Yabo, I think this is the only scenario, or that is the only story that makes sense ukuthi maybe umkhize wamthatha naye uZwelakhe azi kahle ukuthi akusiyona ke ingane yakhe. She have never shared her past with ingane zakhe ukuthi kwenzekalani ke ngempilo yakhe. I don't think ukuthi maybe wafeba. I just mentioned this word. I don't think ukuthi ke wafebela umnyeni wakhe noma wajolela umnyeni wakhe. I think ukujolela it's little bit, you know, not bad. Wajolela umnyeni wakhe wesethola ke uZwelakhe. I think Umkhize knew ukuthi uZolakha akusiyena umntanakhe, but accepted him anyway. But nje guys, I don't know ukuthi sizolithola nini leqiniso, angathi sizolithola nini. Ay the storyline Nkosi yami, it keep on, making things worse. Isenza lo sicabanga ke manje, sicabanga ukuthi kambe ngabe yilo, ngabe akusiyena lo, kodwa nje akusazoshuba. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.